My name is Erika, and this is my ClearChoice story. I manage 10 residential properties. I do a great deal of interactions with my residents, but my smile was a sore point for me. I was so embarrassed about my teeth, it held me back.
We will place 4 implants on the top, 4 implants on the bottom, and the same day you're gonna be able to go home with new smile.
With ClearChoice, I liked the process being done in one day. The procedure has completely changed my relationship with my residents. I smile a lot more. I've had people tell me, "You are so much nicer than I thought you were." Pick up the phone, call them. I wish I had done this years ago.